Good afternoon. The organisms that we will be discussing today are squids. Brief introduction over squids is that they are soft-bodied marine invertebrates known for their intelligence, agility, and ability to change color rapidly. They are a key species in many ocean ecosystems. Let's talk a little about squids' natural habitat. Squids are found in the oceans worldwide from shallow coastal waters to the deep sea trenches. Epipelagic species, such as the loligo, live in the upper 200 meters of the ocean, while the mesopelagic and deep-sea species, such as the Arctic ducks, can be found at the depths of over 1,000 meters. Now let's talk a little about their migratory patterns. Many species like to travel in schools, while deep-sea squids are more solitary. Some squids display vertical migration, rising to the shallower waters at night to feed and descending during the day to avoid predators. Squids obtain their food? Well, squids are carnivores, so they feed primarily on fish, crustaceans, and other cephalopods. The squids use their two long tentacles to capture prey and their 8 arms to hold and manipulate the food. The beak-like mouth tears prey into smaller pieces, while the radula, which is a toothed tongue, shreds food before digestion. What are some of their hunting strategies? Well, they like to ambush their prey, so deep-sea species rely on stealth and bioluminescence to lure in their prey, while others like to pursue their prey. Coastal squids use jet propulsions for rapid movement to chase their prey. Squids' predator and prey relationships. Squids are an essential food source for many marine animals, including sharks, large fish such as a tuna, and whales, especially sperm whales, which are a squid's biggest predator, and other squids. Cannibalism is pretty common in squids. Squids primarily consume small fish, crustaceans such as shrimp, krill, and crab, and other cephalopods. Now, squid have a couple of defense mechanisms. They have ink clouds, which are released to confuse predators and aid escape. They also have color-changing camouflage, which rapid color changes help squids blend in with their surroundings. They also have jet propulsions, which allow for quick escapes. And some squids can detach a tentacle to distract predators. What are some unique evolutionary traits of squids? Squids have advanced nervous systems and intelligence. They are one of the most intelligent invertebrates capable of learning and problem solving. They have a large brain-to-body ratio compared to other mollusks. They have chromatophores and iodophores, which are specialized skin cells, which allow the squid to change color instantly for camouflage, communication, and mating display. Some deep-sea species have bioluminescence, which allow the squids to produce light via photophores to attract prey or confuse predators. They also have jet propulsion, which water is forcefully expelled from the siphon, enabling high-speed movement. Some squids are also capable of regeneration. Some species can regenerate lost arms over time. There is a taxonomy and classification of squids. Their domain is Eukarya, their kingdom is Animalia, and their phylum is Mollusca. Their class is Cephalopod, and their order is Titida if we're talking about true squids. Some examples of different species are Loligo vulgaris, which is a common European squid. Another example is Architeuthis dux, which is a giant squid. And finally, Amazonacatutus hamiltoni, which is a colossal squid. The importance of squids in the ecosystem and to humans. Squids are a key role in marine food web. Squids help regulate populations of smaller marine species, and their abundance supports major predators like whales and sharks. Their economic importance. They are a major seafood industry, calamari. They are also used in biomedical research, such as squid giant axon studies in neuroscience. They are also a source of inspiration for biomimicry and robotics. Their ecological indicators. Squids populations can reflect ocean health and climate change effects. Here are just a couple visuals of some squids. Right here to the left, you can see the squid demonstrated in the biolab. And in the middle, you can see the dissection of the squid. Here's the bottom half with its arms and tentacles, and then the upper half. And then right there, you can kind of see the ink sac. And then we have a drawn image of a squid right here, and then a squid capturing its prey here at the bottom. And finally, here are the resources that I used to create this PowerPoint. Thank you so much for listening, and gig 'em.